Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into MyFitnessPal Premium, quick access step-by-step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the MyFitnessPal website URL. Once the page loads, look for the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Now, enter your password in the next field. If you would like to stay logged in, check the Remember Me box. Click the Login button to proceed. If you have entered the correct credentials, you will be directed to your dashboard. To access premium features, ensure you have a premium subscription. Look for the options listed under your profile menu. Click on the Premium option. Explore the features available to you as a premium member. If you're using the mobile app, open the app on your device. Tap the More icon at the bottom right corner. Select Login from the options presented. Enter your email and password in the required fields. Tap Login to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the premium features through the app menu. Enjoy your enhanced MyFitnessPal experience with premium access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.